Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey Bates. This is week 6 of my case study, and today I will be discussing performance ingredients. So I only have 2 minutes. I could talk for days about this, but if I had to choose one, it would be the serum. It is a DNA repaired enzyme formulation with cytokines and growth factors, and this is the serum that I pair with microchanneling. So microchanneling itself creates little tiny micro injuries or channels into the skin that signal the skin to repair itself. So that's when the DNA repair enzyme steps in to correct extrinsic or environmental induced aging like UV exposure. Then we have the growth factors, and these are going to help accelerate skin renewal as well as help with the firming and tightening of the skin by stimulating collagen and elastin. Then the cytokines come into play, and these are going to optimize the healing environment by reducing redness and irritation, and it's going to enhance the results without doing too much to overwhelm the skin. So when this formulation comes together, it is no longer just skin stimulation. It is now repair and regeneration at the cellular level, which is going to give healthy, more youthful, happy looking skin. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.